Welcome to the channel. I'm OHLEEN, and today I want to talk to you about Bennett. Bennett was one of those brands that for me fit into the British luxury category in terms of quality, designs, most importantly quality. It's all about the quality of Bennett. Classics as well, they do replicate a lot of classic looks. A lot of high profile people wear their pieces, so it's really fun to see that they are doing they're now offering a rental service, and it fits in so well with their name, Borrowed. Yeah, it's like, duh, whoever managed to pull that out for them, well done. So I wanted to walk you through the process, what it's been like for me, because obviously I've given it a try. In case you have any questions, you can also put them in the comment section so I can see what I can do about those. Or hopefully I will cover much of what you're looking to know in this video. So it's just going to be a walkthrough of what was my experience, talking about the price points, talking about the process, how quickly it got to me. I'm really not going to delve too much on the specific items, because if you're watching this video, you kind of already know Bennett are, what they offer. If you don't, check them out. So like with any rental service, the purpose is to give you a lot of options for different occasions. Price, typically now monthly price. You have an option to have 2 items with you all the time, a maximum of 2. So you can return 1 item and exchange it for something else and keep the other, but it looks like you always only have 2 items with you unless you create a different account, from the looks of it, from what I can see. That will cost you £79 per month, and that means you have 2 items that you can change at any time. If you want to specifically pick something or to know what is going to be in your box, so what happens is you put minimum of 4 or 6 items in your wardrobe. From there, they will pick based on availability what they can get to you at the earliest point, based on what you have put in your wardrobe, in your virtual wardrobe. If you want to pick something specific, or if you want to see what is available, do I want it and do I want it now, you can use their Dart service, which is an extra £9, so that you pick specific items and then they will ship either the same day or the next day, depending on the time you order. That's what I've realized, and that's what I've figured out with this service, that essentially you're paying £79 per month for you to have a limitless amount of items, but you can only always have a maximum of 2 with you. If you want something quick, if you want something that you specifically handpick to be put in your box, shipped to you, you pay an extra £9. The items come already dry cleaned. If you want to see what they come looking like, check out the unboxing video, which I did separately because I didn't want this to be too long. But I did a separate unboxing video which is quite immersive. I do a lot of those. So if you love packaging, if you like to see how things come to you, you form your own opinion about that. Nothing I say, nothing I do, it's just purely me showing you. In the box, you get dry cleaned items 2 or 1, basically, depending on where you're at in your wardrobe ordering experience. You get a bag, which is what you will return the items in. Of course, if you decide to buy, because there is that option, say you've gotten something, you've loved it and you don't want to let it go, you can buy it at a discounted price from the retail price. So they will show you the retail price and they will show you the price for you now that you have it. So usually it's like 20-30% discounted from the looks of it. So once the things are in your wardrobe, in your virtual wardrobe, you can prioritize. You have the option to prioritize. So I'm assuming that's you telling them what you would really love in your box out of the 4 to 6 items in your virtual wardrobe. So you indicate to them, this is what I really want, and they will prioritize it, that they try to put it in the next box. I'm assuming it's also subject to availability, because if all of us want the wardrobe blazer, they can't put it in all of us, because I'm imagining they have a limited amount of stock that they use for rental service. But if you are in a rush and you need something, then the Dart service is there for you to get something shipped out, at least at the very latest the next day, if not the same day. And it comes with Royal Mail first class, and that's how it was delivered to me. If you refer a friend, you also get £15 off your monthly amount. So £15 is taken off from that £79. So that £15 is taken off for both you and your friend. So they're really encouraging that, it seems, which is cool. It's good. I think a lot of brands are going to be going in the rental service direction. A lot have already, like Selfridges have actually started doing that. A lot of my friends who have brands have also started doing that because it just makes sense, right? Some occasions are just a one-time wear and you will not wear that item again until a very long time. So it just makes sense to rent it sometimes. Lastly, what I do love as well is you can gift this service to somebody. So you can buy for them a 3-month, 2-month, 6-month rental service as a gift. So you will pay for it. They will claim it using a voucher code. I think that is so cool. If you know someone's wardrobe is active or she has so many occasions, or you just know they will appreciate it, you can get this for them. It's quite cool. It's quite unique right now because it's new. I'm yet to see a service where you can gift this through gift card. So this is pretty cool that they have this available. I hope this has been helpful. Let me know in the comment section what your questions are. I will try to insert some clips of me wearing the things that I have picked. I picked a blazer, I picked a dress. I like how versatile the things are that I've picked. I feel I can do so much more with them, and they will last me, throughout the month. Essentially, I can wear them a few times. I think I will be using this service. I will be going over to see what's happening over there when I have an occasion, or I'll just be going over there to see what's happening if I've had something that will help me put my point across for a video that I'm doing, that I'm styling, or even a client. So definitely check it out and give it a try. It's pretty straightforward, and it's really cool that they're doing this. I really love the name. When I saw it, I was like, what? I was like, of course, yeah, it makes sense. It just makes sense. Okay, Borrowed. It just match made in heaven, literally. Anyway, thanks so much. I will see you in my next video, which is going to be next week Sunday, UK time, 6 p.m.